Hotel locks are good assistance for protection of property and management of hotels, main hardware for customer room of hotel. Today, I'd like to introduce KINLONG hotel locks to you. Burglar proofing hotel lock SGY 43000, panel style hotel lock SGY 12600, SGY 12700, SGY 12800, separate style hotel lock SGY 12400, SGY 12500, SGY 27476, SGY 27470. Suitable for various hotels, homestays, apartments, dormitories, and other scenarios. The lock design is elegant with stable application system, and the response is fast. 2 types of door opening. 1. Door opening by induction card ensures sensitive sensing response and high confidentiality. 2. Emergency unlocking key function that makes easy to manage the emergency situations. The card collection, elevator control, power connection switch and other facilities are affiliated. Cards can be customized according to different requirements. In addition to hotel locks, you can also choose integrated hardware for hotels such as anti-theft chains, peephole, multifunctional hinges, floor stopper hotel storage boxes, automatic dust strips, etc. Moreover, we have professional technical personnel providing 24-hour guidance with further solutions and services. We believe that wherever there are buildings, there will be KINLONG products.